is me Nadine.
This is me, JD.
And here we're again for another vlog. So wala kami guys magawa sa bahay. So magtutour na lang kami ng aming house.
We're going to give you a toys after this video. Let's go!
So ayan guys, bababa na kami. So mamaya guys, pag daw kami sa baba is ito naman guys, room na to yung susunod. Let's go! So nandito na kami guys sa baba.
Yeah.
So ito guys.
This is our call. And we're going next in Sunday in our Dubai. And you will miss me vlogs. Now let's go on our tour. This is our couch. And this is our kitchen. Let's go inside. This is our water. This is my mother.
Hi!
And we have a YouTube channel. Well, let's
Okay.
go.
Hello guys. Hello guys.
So we already have a YouTube channel.
They have YouTube channel.
Let's go. Wait lang.
Anumang panahon, anumang dahilan. Nasa hat ko yan.
Bakit ba ka? Hello ko.
Okay. Now we're finished. We're going to give you in the upstairs tour.
Sa taas na kami guys! And this is our room!
Let's check. This
So, ito yung tinutulog namin guys. So, ipababa lang nyo to guys. And ito,
this
pull
is
down.
my mom's secret. And this is my pillow. See, in my birthday, you see the Jollibee? You never see. Next one is this one.
This is full of t-shirts.
And kumot.
Yeah. Ito naman guys yung aming
Stop toys.
yeah.
And this is our pictures.
Yeah.
And this is my toys. See? That's my ninja. And next, guys, come.
Let's go!
This is my all stop toys, and this is my things. Don't mind that. And this is our picture. This is Tita Pa, and my mom. This is the coins of Mama Mary and perfume. And this is the bracelet and the giveaway. This is the perfume. See? Smell everyone. And next one is this. Don't bash me. This is for boys. Only pink. This is for girls too. And next one is my medicine in this one. My face and skin. And this one is Alex or Bonadine. And this next one is my watch. Wait, I'll wear it. See? That's the gold shining. And this is our paper. This is next one. This is in the underground. This is one. All one. And this is next one. This is my mom, Kasal, and my dad. And this is I don't know. This is my mom. And this is my big mom picture. It's pretty, correct? And now I will tour you. I will give you 4 boys' toys.
And let's go in the other side room. Let's go!
And this is the second room. This is we buy. It can be boom, happy. You want to be happy? Put in your head. And you want to be sad? Put in your head. See?
And this is the big mirror.
Yeah, and you want to see our cabinet? Is here. This is our cabinet. This is all the things of Nanay. This is of the glasses. And next cabinet is this one. This one, everyone. The scissor is here. Be careful, everyone. The new watch here. And I don't know iPhone. This is iPhone. This is a new iPhone. And we're going to give away iPhone Pro Max in our YouTube channel. You will like our YouTube channel. Please subscribe and we're going to give you iPhone Pro Max.
Will soon, guys. Will soon.
And we're going to give you pulbo and powder. I'll give you. And this sabon. Soap. And next tour is our bed. This is spaghetti for cooking bukas. And this is baby wipes. This is a coin. This is my all water bottles broken because I broke. And this is this pillows and this is my favorite toy. Let's go!
Ito naman guys ang aming mga lalagyan guys. Wala to guys aircon.
Yeah.
Meron lang guys electric fan. Only lang guys. Pero guys,
And this is
sobrang lakas ng hangin guys. And this is our cabinet.
yeah, true.
And this is in the cabinet. In this side is bag and clothes.
And wait, guys.
And have a
Makeup.
bracelet. This is a bracelet. DIY. And this is our toys and picture. This is lotion. And everybody is here.
Okay, guys.
And our picture. Nag-brown out. And bumag naman agad. And dito naman tayo guys sa ating mga puon.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is Mama Mary.
And say goodbye to me. I'm going down to make this bracelet for me. Bye-bye.
And this is, yeah. Let's go in our, let's go. This is a second bathroom. This guys, and eto guys. Hindi na namin ito guys ginagamit. Ito lang ginagamit namin. And have a mirror again. And this is tissue. And the other side is ito yung mga timba namin pag sa mga libagin. And ito yung aming tree dryer. Let's go in downstairs. I'll make bracelet too. Let's go. So ayan guys, mag-make po tayo ng bracelet. Let's go. So ayan guys, nagawa ko yan guys